In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete a board in Milanote safely. Whether you're cleaning up old projects or maybe just organizing your workspace, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, first of all, once you are logged into your account, navigate to the board you want to remove. So in my case, I wanted to delete this specific board, and make sure you are on the home dashboard so you can see all the boards at a glance. So I have 3 boards right now, and I wanted to delete the other 2, which is going to be these 2 boards. All I have to do is super simple, all right? I want you to right click on the board, and there is an option here that says delete, okay? And it also says backspace. Now I'm going to press delete, and for this one, I am going to press backspace. It's super simple. Now, what will happen is the boards that you have deleted is going to be found on the trash icon on the bottom left corner. So if in case you wanted to retrieve all these, you have more control and option. Okay, so for example, you have deleted a board by accident. All I have to do is click that button. Okay, and then empty trash if you are really decided to delete all of them. Okay, and basically that's it for today's video on how to delete a board in Milanote. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.